Hello everyone. Today I would like to discuss a fundamental concept of Docker desktop, or let's say two fundamental differences between images and containers. So I've been using Docker since quite some while. Though I run those commands, I did not have a fundamental understanding of what is the difference between an image and a container. So today we will clarify this confusion if you have this confusion as well. Docker containers or Docker starts with an image. What is an image? Image is a blueprint of something. Let's say it's a blueprint which tells the Docker how to run a specific code. It contains the code inside it. It contains the dependencies within it. It contains the information regarding the requirements or the dependencies within it. And it is self-sustainable and it is a blueprint. Think of it, yeah, like a blueprint of a ship, right? So the ship blueprint is there, it is ready to be built, but it is not yet built. So let's think from the code perspective. This is exactly what I am doing. What I am doing is I'm saying docker compose build, and when it gives this command, it starts building an image. It takes my code, everything that is here, and it takes downloads all the dependencies, and then it builds an image. But a built image is just sitting there, it is not doing anything. You have to run it, and when you run it, it becomes a container. So right now the images are being built, and you can see in the last 2 minutes this is getting set up, everything is getting ready. But once you execute it or once you start running it, it transforms into a container. Container is like, let's say, the containers that are moving in your ship from place A to place B, they are actually doing a particular job. While the blueprint sits on a piece of paper or a table, a container is actually carrying your goods, or it is carrying your code, and it is on a ship and it is working. So think of it like this. I mean, the example of ship is relevant because, as you can see, the Docker desktop icon also has this ship that also looks like a dolphin, and then you can see those containers on top of the ship. So it is a working code. So let me quickly see if the images are being built. So okay, it is being built, and this command also tells it to up the container or to up the image, which means the image will be built and it will be also run immediately after that. So once it is run, we will be able to also see. So it is now built and also created, and now you can see it has started giving the responses. Let's check in the Docker whether we can see. Yes, now you can start to see containers. The ACE interview has come up, and I believe the backend and the front end, everything should start showing, because we have three different images here: the ACE interview front end, the backend, and the voice agent. And we should be able to see three containers running. Let's quickly, yes, exactly. So you can see the voice agent one, the backend, and the front end, everything is running. So this container is your running instance. You can, if you stop here, it will stop working and it will again, you can start it or something like this. But this image, it is just a blueprint. It takes this image and then runs it. um, I hope this has been easy to understand, and if you learned something from this, please like this video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.